Welcome back. So in this part, we're gonna download and install SQLDeveloper, which is a tool we're gonna use to execute all the commands and SQL that is covered by this course. The SQLDeveloper not only can execute the SQL commands, but it can do a lot of more stuff. It can do the PL/SQL, which is not covered by this example course, and we can do the database administration, migration of the databases, and a lot of more. Of course, you don't have to use SQLDeveloper for this course. There are a lot of alternatives like DBeaver, which is also free, Toad, which is paid solution, but a lot of developers and DBAs use that one. And there are, of course, many more. So let's jump straight ahead to the part where we download and set up SQLDeveloper. So we're gonna go to the Oracle website on the oracle.com. You're gonna have to log in with your Oracle account, which is completely free, same as SQLDeveloper. We go to the developer part and developer resource center. We go to the downloads and we're gonna pick all Java downloads since SQLDeveloper is created in Java. And we go to the SQLDeveloper. We pick the Windows 64-bit version with the JDK included, which is Java Development Kit. If you already have it, you can download it without it, but I do recommend to download this one. If you have an older version of Windows or some other operating system, you can choose also some of the other releases. And we go to the download. Again, accept the license agreement, read through it, and download it. And wait for it to download. Alright, once the SQLDeveloper zip file is downloaded, we go to the folder where we downloaded it, open the zip file, and we're gonna extract all of the content to a desired folder. Note that SQLDeveloper does not need installation at all. It's like a portable application. So we're gonna just copy all the content to the desired folder. Excellent. So once it's extracted, we just double click the executable. I do recommend to make a shortcut to your desktop, to the start menu, to the taskbar, so you can always have it handy. And let's just start it. It takes a couple of seconds to boot up, but it should run straight up. Since we don't have any previous installation of SQLDeveloper, we just gonna click the no. This is for importing the previous preferences. And there we go. We have SQLDeveloper up and running. And the same when we installed the Oracle XE database, we're gonna test out the connection, the database from SQLDeveloper, just to see if everything works as expected. So we're gonna create a new database connection. The name is gonna be sys, as we're gonna connect as sys user, just for test purposes. And this name is gonna be sys as sysdba. And the password is gonna be the one that we entered when we were installing. And we're gonna just press the test button. We can see the status success, so everything works fine. So the sys user is the one that we're not gonna use through this course, as it has complete privileges to edit all the system tables, and there is a chance we can mess up something around the database. The connection we're gonna use is gonna be HR connection and the HR schema, because it already has some preset data, some tables containing all the rows we're gonna practice with. But more about that on how to unlock the HR schema in the next section.